Okay, good evening, students. Today we are going to learn about Facebook Ads Manager, Facebook Ads, how to create Facebook Ads. These are the things we will create in this class. Already previously we learned about the Canva class. In that Canva, how to prepare designs and how to prepare the designs of all varieties in Facebook. So photo means what is in other things, whatever the design. If you want a real estate design, if you want some shop design or some other designs, these are the things we learned. Now we are going to teach Facebook ads. So first we have to go for facebook.com in Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome. In Google Chrome you can write facebook.com. Right now this website is opening now. Here see, this is my page. In this my ads, these are the pages are there. See here how many pages I prepared. Minimum how many 18 pages are there. Right? Here this is Vijaya 123, Vijaya 3.5, Vijaya online classes, Vijaya Kalyani. And see if you want more then you can see like this. In your Facebook there is no pages maybe. See you have to create here. Create new page you have to create. How to create one new page? First you have to create in this new page. Okay, first you have to open Google Chrome in that facebook.com. After that you have to create new page. Sometimes some in other computers maybe it will be here plus symbol will be there. Yes, this plus symbol if you create here then new page will be formed, right? In Windows 7 here it will comes like this, create new page. Then you have to go like this, create. We are creating. What is asking? Page information, page name required. If you want to prepare for your company or yourself or any other works, whatever you if you want to give that name, you can give that name. Suppose if you are preparing for the construction company, then if you are right here, uh, Ram Construction. We'll say Ram Ram Construction. Or else we will do one more thing. Just we will prepare the construction note. We will go for online classes only. Okay. This is my name is Ayub. Already you know that. So here Ayub Ayub online classes. We are going to prepare this one Ayub online classes page. Category name, is it for that education or it's real estate or anything, whatever the character. You get right here. See here, education. If this one is a purely education, then you can write education. Or else, is it for you want some more also? You can write here education. Here you want to write real estate or construction, whatever you want to write. Description. Here, what is the description? In this description, choose a category that describes what types of business organization the page represents. You can add up to three. Okay, you can write here up to three. It's telling that in category wise, this one is according to business style. You can write for that education, online classes. eh, One more, you or two more are there. If you want to write, write. Okay, no need. Yeah, I confused. You can write here online classes. One. Next one. Here is there local service, restaurant, shopping, retail, like this will come. Online classes. It's not there now here. Then sometimes that's why I'm not writing. You have to write here restaurant, like that it will come. Shops, construction, business, mm, this type. Here education on the category you wrote already. So here description, network is getting issue here. Now description. One, you can add image, contact information and other details after you create the page. You can add images, you can add image, contact information and other details after you create. After you create the page. Okay. First this one you have to create the page. And after that you can add the images. Means like it will come like this. Uh, what is students? Yeah, I don't know. What is this? Network issues could be here. Yeah, so it's not coming. I didn't understand. Once you go back, you converting the meeting recording. We have a recording that needs to be converted before we stop converting. Continue with converting. Browse for folder. अच्छा अच्छा. No, no, no. Here it's already recording. No problem. I will send you video to you. Right here, this sharing the part. It's not coming. What is once more? Is there any June? If you want to share from here, you can share. Just share this one. Yeah, stop. Any problem? No. Really not for 2 meters. How can you teach the class for that students? It's not possible.